Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Canon Ink 243 and 244 combo pack is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to maintain the vibrant quality and reliability of their Canon printer, ensuring that every document, photo, or creative project comes out with the crispness and color accuracy you expect from your device, making it a crucial investment for both home and office users who depend on consistent, high-quality printing results without compromise. Number 5. PG 243CL 244 Replacement Ink Cartridges. Introducing our premium replacement ink cartridges, designed to perfectly fit your Canon printer. Experience vibrant and consistent prints every time. This combo pack includes one black and one tricolor ink cartridge, providing a complete solution for your printing needs. Get more done with an impressive page yield. The black cartridge offers up to 400 pages, and the color cartridge up to 300 pages at 5% coverage. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Canon Pixma and TR series printers, ensuring a seamless fit for models like the MG2522 and TS3120. Equipped with the latest upgraded chips, our cartridges guarantee high compatibility and hassle-free installation. Enjoy reliable performance without any issues. Our fully compatible replacement cartridges offer a cost-effective alternative without compromising on quality. They are designed for optimal performance and longevity. What we like. This combo pack offers a generous page yield, ensuring you can print more pages before needing replacements. It features upgraded chips for seamless compatibility with a wide range of Canon printers. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for frequent printing needs, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy install, no fuss, no mess, no cleanup or gloves required. No need for brand name inks. Vibrant colors. The producter is good fit and print good visible. They work exceptionally well. Number 4. 245XL 246XL Ink Cartridge Combo Pack. Experience vibrant colors and sharp text with our high-yield ink cartridges. They are designed to deliver professional-looking documents and brilliant photos with every print. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Canon Pixma printers, including popular models like the TR4520 and TS3320. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing setup. Get more out of your printer with our high page yield. The black cartridge offers up to 500 pages, and the color cartridge provides up to 400 pages, ensuring you can print more for longer. Never run out of ink unexpectedly. Our cartridges feature an intelligent chip that allows you to easily track the ink level, so you always know when it's time to replace them. Each cartridge is rigorously tested to ensure consistent and reliable performance. You can trust them to produce sharp text and vibrant graphics every time you print. This combo pack includes two black and one color ink cartridge, providing a convenient and cost-effective solution for all your printing needs. What we like. This option provides XL capacity cartridges, meaning more ink and longer print runs. It includes two black cartridges, ideal for users who print a lot of text documents. If you prioritize high-volume printing and want to keep track of your ink levels easily, this pack is perfect for you. What people say. The ink cartridges are easy to install and produce vibrant colors. This combo pack offers great value, providing both black and color ink for various printing needs. The print quality is consistently good, with sharp text and clear images. Number 3. Canon PG 243CL 244 Genuine Ink Value Pack. Get the best value with this genuine Canon Ink Value Pack. It includes two cartridges to keep your printer running smoothly. This pack contains a black ink cartridge yielding up to 100 pages and a color cartridge also yielding up to 100 pages. You'll get consistent results for all your printing needs. These inks are specifically designed for optimal performance with compatible Canon printers. They ensure your documents and photos come out looking their best. Experience sharp, crisp black text for documents and accurate, impressive color photos. Our advanced technology delivers exceptional print quality every time. Canon's fine technology ensures high precision and reliable accuracy. Trust genuine Canon inks for outstanding quality you can count on. Always look for the Canon logo on the packaging. This guarantees you are purchasing genuine Canon ink for the best performance and quality. What we like. This is a genuine Canon value pack, ensuring peak performance and quality specifically designed for your printer. It utilizes Canon's fine technology for precise and reliable prints. If you value guaranteed quality and are looking for authentic Canon ink for your documents and photos, this is the way to go. What people say. The ink cartridges are genuine Canon products, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with Canon printers. This combo pack provides both black and color ink, offering a convenient solution for everyday printing needs. The ink delivers sharp text and vibrant images, producing high-quality prints for documents and photos. Number 2. Canon PG 243 Black and CL 244 Color Ink Cartridge 2-pack. Get crisp, sharp text for all your documents with our black ink. This cartridge is designed for everyday printing needs. Bring your photos and images to life with vibrant colors. Our color ink ensures your memories are captured beautifully. This ink set is a perfect replacement for your PG 245 and CL 246 ink cartridges. Enjoy hassle-free installation and reliable performance. Access exclusive premium content with your genuine Canon ink. Unleash your creativity with unique projects and designs. Experience exceptional print quality thanks to Canon's advanced fine technology. It ensures precision and clarity in every print. This package includes both a black and a color ink cartridge. You'll have everything you need for a wide range of printing tasks. What we like. This pack contains both pigment black ink for sharp text and dye-based color ink for vibrant photos. It also offers access to premium content via Creative Park Premium. If you enjoy printing creative projects and want high-quality results for both text and images, this combo is an excellent option. What people say. For its ink quality, the colors are vibrant and the black ink is bold. There hasn't been any streaking in the coloring and it's even. It's durable and the ink lasts for a good while. I've been able to print about 80 colored pages. With the cartridge then being put on low. They fit perfectly and function the way they should. Number 1. Canon PG 243 Black Ink Cartridge. Achieve crisp, smudge-resistant black prints with genuine Canon ink. It delivers reliable performance and consistent quality for all your printing needs. Print professional-looking text for reports and documents with this high-quality black ink. It ensures every word is clear and legible. Enjoy hassle-free printing with easy installation. You can quickly resume your printing tasks without any delays. Each cartridge yields up to 180 pages, making it perfect for both home and office use. Get more prints from a single cartridge. This ink is compatible with various Pixma printers, including IP, MX, MG, TS, and TR series. Please check your printer model for compatibility. What we like. This genuine Canon black ink cartridge delivers sharp, smudge-resistant prints for all your documents. It offers reliable performance and consistent quality with easy installation. If your primary need is crisp, high-quality black text printing for everyday use, this cartridge is a dependable choice. What people say. These cartridges were from Canon so they worked perfectly. I like the 2-pack. I can install one and have a second on the shelf when needed. I liked the fact that I don't have to order a color cartridge to go with it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.